How to fix Twitter feed problem on any Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Twitter feed problem on any Android phone. First, open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps and then apps again, and now just type Twitter, or you can just scroll all the way down until you find here Twitter and then click on it and then click force stop and go to storage, click clear cache, and after that go to permissions and check storage and make sure it's allowed. And after that, if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to Play Store and check if there is an update, and then just update your phone and that will fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.